Alright, so we're working on the 1997 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme SL, and we're putting brakes on. So then I got my caliper off. You have to take the caliper off. I just unbolted that, and then you have to unwrap your emergency brake cable. And this is your brake hose. You got to remember to put the special washers, one that goes on each side of that. And then I got this here can come off now. I don't know, might not be that cinchy. I'll leave it on there right now. But you just undo this one bolt, and then it slides off this top piece. Probably want to put some anti-seize on that before I put it back together. And here's the new pad that goes there. The outboard pad wasn't that bad, but my inboard pad was in fact rubbing metal to metal right there. Here's the new one versus the thickness of the old one. And it was rubbing on the metal. But to put the new one in, you got to depress this, and you got to screw it back in with this special socket or wrench adapter. Anyway, well, with that, I'll push it in as far as I can. But see, the first time I did this, I thought you just push that in and it wouldn't go in far enough. And then I got this, and you got to screw it in with that. So, yeah. So that's how you do that. And I'm glad I caught it when I did. And every time I change the tires, both in the fall and the spring, I check the brakes on everything. Make sure it's all good. So I just thought I'd share that with you. This is John Rudy with Rudy Racing, signing off.